Okay. What is your name?
Hartman.
Kaya what?
Hartman.
Oh, can you say that one more time?
Hartman.
Can you see the heart? Where's the heart?
Hartman.
Hartman. Oh, Kaya?
Hartman.
Okay. What is your favorite thing to do with mommy?
Your house.
My house? Oh, what do we do at mommy's house?
Similar.
We swim in the pool. Yep. What else do we do?
Watching.
We watch TV. We dance.
Yeah.
Show me your dance. Can you dance?
No.
No. Do we dance together in the kitchen? Yeah. Okay. What is your favorite sport?
Horse.
Horses? We do love horses. What is your favorite color?
Pink.
Pink. What, when is Kaya born?
What?
I can't hear you.
More.
March? March?
Yeah.
Okay. And what is your favorite book?
Monkey cook.
Monster Trucks. We do love Monster Trucks. Yeah?
Mm-hmm.
How much does mommy love you?
What?
How much?
What?
This much?
No.
No. This much?
No.
Let me see your hands. This much?
No.
No. That much? This much?
No.
That much? Yeah. Mommy loves you.
No.
Lot.
No.
So much. Oh, I do. You're my girl. Are you my girl? You're so good at ballet. You show your ballets? Yeah? Ballet arms? What is your ballet arms? Ballet arms. I got Addie. Let me see your ballet arms. Yay! And then what is our favorite phrase? You are strong. You are brave. And I can't hear you. I don't know what she just said. She's strong.
I do.
And you're brave.
Yes.
And you can do it. Show me muscles.